color. Let's start the experiment. Add baking powder and food color to the bowl. Add vinegar little by little. You can see the volcanoes erupting. Try this at home with parents' help. Thank you for watching. Behind the scenes coming up. Please put on your glasses to protect your head. Stop.